Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. So usually to fix that problem, you have like some easy steps that we follow to fix that. So we go to settings, you open settings and we go to apps. After that, we look for WhatsApp. And here, as you can see, the second one is the access for contacts. You have to click on it. And if it's none or limited access, you have to change it to full access. And when you change it to full access, you will see all your contacts like appearing on WhatsApp. Of course, here we speak about the contacts who have already WhatsApp accounts. So if someone have a phone number or you can see their phone number, but they don't have WhatsApp account and they didn't create WhatsApp account with their phone number, in that case, it's totally normal that you cannot send them a message on WhatsApp because they don't have an account. And also another solution is to just restart WhatsApp and restart your phone after that and check WhatsApp to see if your contact appeared or not. And the last thing is you have to check if there is some update for WhatsApp, because if the WhatsApp app that you have is so old, that means that there is some errors and bugs that may appear on the application. I hope that you liked this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.